Ang auction natin ngayon sa araw na ito ay ang mga makakain natin is a surprise auction. Kaya tingnan na lang natin kung sino ang magsasayang ng pera sa mga auction na ito. Pakilala natin ang ating mga auctioneers na mga guwapo. Ito na nga guys, pakilala natin ang mga auctioneers natin. So ito na ang ating unang auction. Dito muna tayo sa ito. Itlog. Itutok mo. Hindi makita. Ayan, hindi mo makita kasi puti. Itlog guys. Ayan, itlog. For itlog, sino ang kukuha ng 1 million? Okay. $1 million for me. $1 million. Higher, better, please. Higher, better. Highest, hands up. Highest $2. Okay. $3 million. For $3 million, higher bidder. Any higher bidder? Hands up. I will count 1, 2, 3. Okay, class. And the winner is $3 million. I win. So, ikaw ang unang tangang bumili ng ganito. Ikaw ang unang tangang bumili. Bibigay ko na ito sa'yo. Okay. Ito. Kasama na ang duct tape. Kasama na ang duct tape. Ito ang $3 million egg. Thank you, sir. I am willing ko magsaya na ng pera. Okay. Pero may useless naman. May useless? May use naman siya. May use naman siya. I-deprito ko na lang naman. So, our winner for the 3 million eggs, you. Congratulations. So, let's move on to second auction. Yeah. Second auction tayo guys. Second auction tayo. So ito, second auction na. Surprise auction. So, sino ang willing start 2 million? 2 million start. Talong. 2 million start. Second auction. 2 million. Ayan. Second option, 2 million. Rise up for the 2 million. Right hand for the 2 million, guys. Right hand for the 2 million. Okay. 2 million. 3 million. $3 million. $4 million. Can you rise up for the 4 million above? Rise up for the million above. Rise up, please, rise up. So I will count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the kalbo is winner for the talong. Ano kayang gagawin ng talong ni kalbo? Congratulations, kalbo! You are the winner. Tanggalin na natin to. Tanggalin na natin ang talong na napanalunan ni kalbo. So ito na guys. Talong. So ito na talong. Ang napanalunan mo kalbo. Isama na natin yung duct tape para hindi ka ito. Thank you sir. Willing mo talaga din magsayang ng pera. Milyon. Sa ganitong mag-ulam ko na rin to. Gawin ko lang tortang talong. Magsama na kami ni Tanga number 1 sa bumili ng itlog. So at ito na nga guys. Punta tayo sa number 2. Number 3 auction na tayo. Magsimula tayo sa $2, diba? So magano lang tayo ngayon guys. Okay, punta tayo sa number 3 auction. Punta muna tayo sa 1 million kasi alam ko naman na hindi, willing kayo magsaya ng pera, di ba? So, start tayo ng $3 million. $3 million. So, ito na nga guys ang ating third auction. Walaan nyo kung ano yan. Okay, nakikita nyo. Stop natin ang camera. So, ayan. Lemon. Nagamit na. Pangbudbud na lang sa kilikili kung may gusto na para sa kilikili. Ayan guys. Lemon nagamit na. So, i-start na tayo sa $3 million guys. $3 million. Who are willing to raise hand? $3 million. $3 million. Any higher $3 million, please? Raise hand. Raise hand. 4 million. 5 million. So any higher for the $5 million, please? Raise hand. Please raise hand. 5 million. 6 million. Okay, any higher? 6 million. 6 million for the auction. Higher, please. Higher. 6 million auction. Please higher. Higher, please. I want count 1 to 3. If there's no higher, 1, 2, 3. Okay. And the winner is you. Congratulations. Ang galing mo natin ito. Ito ang manalo sa auction na ito. Eto, bigay ko na sa'yo ang auction. Sana itanggapin mo. Ano ang gagawin mo dito? Ayan. 6 million to. Okay, ito na. Ito para sa'yo. Thank you, sir. Kaya willing mo rin talaga magsaya ng pera sa ganitong auction. Kasi marami na akong pera eh. Marami na akong pera. Hindi niya ako magsayang. So, ito na. Maraming salamat. Sama na rin ako doon sa mga tangan ng mga dalawa. Lagyan ko na sila ng duga. Kung meron pa ba itong duga? Mayroon pa. Pag nagturtan talong sila, sama na ako pang sausaw. Para medyo maasim-asim. Okay guys, let's move on to our 1, 2, 3, 4 number 4 auction. So ito na guys, number 4 auction. Mag-start tayo sa next 4 million ba yan kanina? Ay 3 million. 3 million. Isa tayo ng 4 million. You are willing, all of you, to waste your money. 4 million tayo guys. Okay. Our secret number 4 auction. So ito na guys. Number 4 auction. Let's start with 5 million. Who is willing 5 million? Raise hand please. Raise hand. For 5 million. I will go 5 million. In the raise hand, 5 million. In the raise hand, 5 million, please. Raise hand. Okay. Kuya kung 1, 2, 3. Panalo ka na. Kalbo. Ito, tatanggalin na natin yung ating panalo ng auction. Ito natin yung panalo ng auction. Number 4. Ito na guys. Tanggalin na natin. So, ito na. Kasama na yung duct tape. Ito na, kalbo. Thank you so much. Gusto ko ng tinapay. Gutom na ako sa auction natin na walang benta. Na nga kinain na nga ni Calvo yung tinapay niyang 6 million auction of the bread. Sliced bread, 1 piece, kinain niya. Para baka tumigas pa daw yung sayang. So, move na nga tayo sa ating number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 auction. This is the semi-final auction. So, meron pa tayong final auction na the biggest prize auction of the world. Yung last kasunod nito. This is our semi-auction. Alam niyo na guys kung ano to. Hulaan nyo. Duct tape banana. Hindi pala ito duct tape. Packaging tape. Packaging tape. So, ito na nga. Raise hand sa gusto ng $10 million. Raise hand. $10 million. We started $10 million. Who are willing to waste your money for this packaging banana with raise hand please. 11 million. 11 million for me. Pip 10 million. Pip 10 million. Pip 10 million for me. Pip 10 million. Pip 10 20 million. 20 million for me. 20 million. 20 million. 20 million. Okay guys, any higher for the $20 million? Any higher for the $20 million? Remember, we have the final auction after this. Baka mayroon pa kayong pera. Ako, naghanap ako ng pera. Kaya, sino ang 20 million higher? Si Kalbo ang higher ng 20 million. Anything else? Anyone? 20 million? 21 million. $21 million. $21 million. Okay, higher. Higher please, higher. $21 million. Auction. $21 million. Up, please, up. $21 million. Up. $25 million. $25 million. Wow! $25 million. Okay. Any higher? Higher. Higher please. $25 million. Higher. I will count 1 to 3. Final auction, we have final auction after this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the winner is Kalbo. Tanggalin na natin to guys. So ito na Kalbo na panalo mo. $25 million. Thank you. Bagong lahat, mag-advertisement muna tayo for our final auction. So, dito na nga guys, ang ating final auction for today. Mahulaan nyo kaya kung ano ang ating final auction? Who are willing to waste $1 million money from your pocket, from your bank, from your business, for this kind of auction. Final auction. Final auction tayo guys. Sure. Final auction tayo. Ito na guys ang ating final auction. Final auction for today is skin up banana. Totally useless. Throw out the garbage. So, who are willing to waste their money, please raise up your hand. For our final auction for today, we started from our final auction for the day. We start from $30 million. Raise hand, please. 30. $35 million for me. $35 million for me. Okay, any higher for the $35 million? Any higher? Any higher, please? Rise up, rise up. $35 million, any higher up? Okay, no one? I will count 1, 2, 1, 2, 2.5, 2, 2, 2, 2. $14 million. $14 million. Okay, any higher up? Any higher up for the $14 million? What is useless? Skin a banana. I will count 1, 2, 3. 3. Okay, and the winner is you, RR. Thank you. For the final auction that we have right now is the useless skin of banana. Hindi ko alam kung gagawin ng isang to. O, ito na, para sa'yo. Thank you so much for this banana. Ako ang nanalo. I am the final Delors tanga. Thank you. So, at ito na ngayon guys, natapos na ang ating auction for today. Mag-auction pa tayo, part 2. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, comment, and like, and share. Auction at tanga-tangahan.